Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here the 2023 Skidoo Summit Free Ride 850 and I'm going to show you how to remove the hood. Let's get to it. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the side covers on both sides. Now I'm going to slide this panel here backwards, which will expose the two screws and two electrical connectors I need to disconnect. I need to remove that screw there and that screw there and disconnect those two connectors. Now I just need to take a Phillips head screwdriver and loosen up the clamp on the air boot right there. Then I'll remove this screw here on both sides. Then I'll grab the hood from the front, wiggle it, and pull it forward and off. And there you have it. This is what is under the hood of your 2023 Skidoo Summit 850. To reinstall the hood, I'm going to reverse the process. Don't forget to double check the air boot, make sure it's slid on properly and the clamp is tight. If you found this one useful, drop me a super thanks. It goes a long way to helping out the channel. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my hood removal on the 2023 Skidoo Summit Free Ride. Ride safe.